Smile. Elliot! We are Brothers Who Make! Today is going to be a special episode of Brothers Who Make. We're going to make a heart-shaped box for Mother's Day for our mom. We have some thick maple here, and we're going to cut it out and glue another piece on so we can have the depth that we want.
Don't forget to wear safety glasses.
Put it on the bandsaw.
We're gonna spray glue all around this. This is a heart. We're gonna spread it all around. We're gonna put this on the top and then we're gonna clamp it.
Now that we have clamped it, we're going to let it dry.
So it's dry now and we're gonna unclamp it.
So we're going to cut out this heart with the bandsaw, and we're going to cut out the inside shape with the drill press.
So my dad cut the basic shape from the bandsaw and now we are good to sand it.
We sanded most of the wood down, except there's a little bit left, but now we're going to use the bandsaw to cut a half-inch off of it.
So we cut this out, a slice on the bottom and slice on the top, and one is gonna be the lid and one is gonna be the bottom.
We're using the hole saw to on the drill press to cut out our holes for the box. So now we cut out the big part with the hole saw, and now we're going to use a Forstner bit to cut this part. So this is the bottom, it's in here, and then this is the inside of our box, and then this is the lid. We're going to glue the bottom on now.
So the glue is on dry now and we're gonna clamp it off.
Yep, looks good, except this one should be able to come off. Okay, so the top came off now, and this is the inside. So the wood is a little bit off, so we're gonna sand it down. So we're gonna decorate the box with Sharpies, and then we're gonna polyurethane. We finished polyurethaning and painting it, and now we're going to drill a hole in it so that it can pivot open and closed. is our finished product. We added the pivot on the top so that it swirls. Thanks for watching. Happy Mother's Day!